Hey, do you want to start your own taxi application like Uber and Ola? Do you want to start your own business like Uber and Ola where different people can come and book a taxi, driver can come and list their taxi and you can earn commission on each travel? Then this is the video for you. In this video we are going to discuss how our ready-made Uber similar application Ninja Taxi works, how a customer can book a taxi, how a driver can complete the ride, and how you can earn commission on each travel. Then this is the video for you, and yeah, let's get started. So hi everyone, this is Pooja Gopal, and today we are going to understand how our ready-made Uber similar application Ninja Taxi works, how a customer can book a taxi, driver can complete the ride, and how the admin can control all the things. So yeah, let's get started. So when you download the Ninja Taxi app from Play Store, it looks like this. Right now it's having Ninja Taxi name, but when it's your app, it will be having your name, your brand on the application. Now let's open the application. Here we will enter the ID and password. So if you are a driver, you will enter your ID and password, and if you are a customer, you will be adding your ID and password. And now let's enter the ID and password, and yeah, this is the main app. As you can see, it is a very beautiful app and having a lot of features that a taxi service need. Here you can see the pickup location, the location from which you want to pick up and the location where you want to reach. You can enter here. You can also see the driver available here. So the car icons will be made like this. The driver will be available if your location. So as we can see, we have a driver in our location. So this is the car icon coming, that we can see, okay, this is the driver is available in my nearby location. You can enter your pickup and drop location like this. You can choose your car type. So in the Ninja Taxi application, there are 3 different car types. So right now, as we can see, one economy car is available, so we will choose it and go ahead. And now let's click on book now. You can also see here that what is the average time it can take to come at your place. So now we can see the location difference over here, that what is our pickup location and what is our drop location. The pickup location is the green one and the drop location is the red one. You can also see how many kilometers are there, and you can also see the average time, and you can also see the average fare, average charges it will be. You can click on confirm booking to confirm your booking. Now this booking will go to the driver application. A sound notification. Now the driver can see the booking, the pickup and drop location, total details, and now he can accept or reject the booking. Now let's accept the booking by the driver application. Now in the driver application, driver will start moving from his location to the customer location. In the meanwhile, he can see the live location of the customer like this. He can call the customer, or he can also have a chat with the customer. And now let's click on start trip. And you can see right now the cab is started. The customer can have a call or a chat support if the cab takes any much time. And here the customer can live track his destination like this. And now let's assume that we have reached at our destination. Now let's click on complete ride. And now the customer can pay by cash or online payment. So the driver can request for the payment. And it will look like this. The customer can pay by wallet or payment online or cash, or he can also pay by wallet or cash. Right now we are going to select pay with cash. So now we can see that our ride has been successfully completed. Now we can give ratings to your driver like this. As you can see, every time there is a change going on the application, you are receiving a proper notification. And that's how a ride is completed in Ninja Taxi application. By going to my rides, you can see all your rides till now, and you can see different details of the rides. By going to my wallet, you can see your wallet, and you can also add money in your wallet. In the Ninja Taxi combo, there is website like this, customer and driver app, admin panel, and 1 year free technical support is included. In the Android plus iOS combo, there is customer and driver Android app, customer and driver iOS app, website, admin panel, and 1 year free technical support. For price and more discussion, you can contact your consultant, or you can also drop a comment below so our team can help you. And that's all about the Ninja Taxi application. I hope you like this video. If you have any of the query, you can directly contact your consultant, or you can also drop a comment below so our team can help you. You can also directly contact us by the number available in the description so our team can contact you. And for more, kindly watch all the videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.